on my way to the big old protest against Governor Walker. Walking on State Street, stuck behind this large group of chanting people. We were chanting before. Let's see if I can catch something for you guys. If you guys want more information about Governor Walker, you can check out the link. Hopefully we'll remember to put in the slide bar for you.
He's like, no, I guess I really don't have anything.
Yesterday was a big rally that everyone was supposed to get to. But we're going to be protesting probably for a couple of weeks. It doesn't even matter if this bill gets passed. They're still going to be protesting things. I'm going to go meet my mom and my sisters, see what they're up to, hold up some signs, scream things. Woo!